How to change Instagram username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change Instagram username. So for that, just simply open your Instagram account and make sure that you have logged in into your Instagram account. And once you have logged in into your Instagram account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And from there, just simply click on the edit profile section from the screen itself. And over here you will be able to see the option to edit your profile, like your name, your username and other things. So just simply tap on the username section because you want to change that. And now it says that you will be able to change your username back to the original one after 14 days. So if you make any changes in your username right now, you won't be able to make another change until 14 days. So you have to wait for that. So for example, I want to change this username and I want to add my date of birth as well. So you can make any changes as per your liking, and after that just simply click on done from the top right corner, and yeah, you will be done. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to change Instagram username. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.